It's me again. This is another, probably going to be a Tooly Tuesday, Tool Time Tuesday. I got another one of these. This is a weird one. This is a Suregrip made in Germany. And I ordered this from over there. I don't think it was in Germany, but this is kind of cool. Look, it's like, blah, Jaws. This, thing is basically, I'll show you here. See? You can see it like that more. It says Suregrip right over here somewhere. I wonder if you can see it on this side or side. Yeah, Suregrip right here. It says Germany in there, and there's another thing that says drop forged. It's the only writing on it. It's pretty grimy. It's got a weird, like this thing right here is very, very small, and it opens it up. I think this is like a prelude to vice grips, but it's really, really loose. I don't know what to say about it, but see, it's got a little cam here. I would guess to say that this was probably more expensive to manufacture, because look, that's a solid piece. This is all solid here. Like, this handle is solid. The vice grips took all the meat out of it and just made a folded piece of metal. See, this is solid metal. So this one, I would assume, would be harder to manufacture because you got to make a mold for it and pretty much harden the jaws and whatever. See, you got to put a rivet in here, rivet in here. I mean, it's a lot of work because you got to forge this crap. So, but in this little thing here should be bigger. This is the little piece. I'm guessing they're probably, if I'm guessing, there's not many of these left because this thing broke. As I can imagine putting pressure on here and this thing just splitting wide open. This thing right here just crapping out, or this thing breaking. I mean, I'm not an engineer, but I can assume when you put force on here, this clamps together. This is going to buckle. Like, this doesn't look very strong. The genuine vice grips, which you all know what they look like, right? Which, unfortunately, I have none near my table here, but yeah. These are pretty cool, though. I think they're pretty neat. They don't have any round. I don't know, you can adjust it. See, try to get a weight on it. Gotta hold it. But it's still, gets a nice bite. It's not easy to open, but it does the job. But it's very, very, very loose. I'm sure somebody gave it a lot of love in the past. But it's slow. See, it doesn't have the back. I'm assuming vice grip put this way in the back, so you can just adjust this. Makes sense. Vice grips bolts here, and it pushes this forward and backward, relieving the pressure of this thing splitting in half. So whoever re-engineered this stuff and came up with a better locking plier, I don't know when the hell this came out. I should have Googled it and found out all the information and posted all kinds of fancy information on here, but that's boring. So I just like them. So maybe one day before I expire, I'll take them all and I'll just weld them all on a board and destroy them all. Not really, but yeah, I got another freaky one. I'm planning on doing a what do you call it? A giant vice grip video and lay them all out and look at different ones, just because it's fun to look at, and I'll go over some other weird ones. But yeah, weird locking pliers. So they're not vice grips; they're Suregrips. Basically, must have been like, hey, are you sure they're going to get grip on it? Are you sure it's going to work? Because it's a Suregrip. Are you sure? You could always use them as earrings. I'm not going to do it this, but seems like a pretty neat mechanism. I don't know if it was painted black or coated whatever, or it just came polished. I don't know if there was a finish on it. And honestly, is this, maybe somebody can explain this to me, but is this, clearly it can be cast iron, because this thing would be highly susceptible to shattering like glass had I dropped it. So I'm guessing it's forged steel. What do you call it? Molten. It's steel. It's not cast. I mean, it's probably a casting, but it's not steel. Is what I'm saying. Would be cool. Would be cool to. What's that word? I'm sweating my ass off in here right now. Losing my mind. It'd be cool to have somebody 3D scan these things and make like 3D copies, little plastic copies. Because I mean, a lot of people, a lot of times I could, like, if you don't want to mar something, having plastic pliers really would, instead of plastic tips, have the whole pliers plastic. That'd be a really cool thing. Plus, I'm pretty sure the patent is expired on this, so you could get away with making a new one. Or you can make puppet shows. Nom, nom, nom. Bite my nose. Oh, there you go. Oh, I got your nose. Ah! Anyway, enough BS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. Tell all your friends, your family, tell your neighbors that there's a guy making weird vice grip videos, if you like vice grips. And, if you leave a comment, it does help the algorithm. Thanks for watching.